Title: Ex-Trojan Gridiron star tackled by legal system, accused of dual sexual assaults. TLDR, former USC football player, Joshua Jackson Jr., is making headlines, but for the wrong reasons. He's been arrested and charged with sexually assaulting two women, one from UCLA and one from USC. Brace yourself because this story is darker than your favorite gothic novel. And we have to ask, when will our societal values outweigh our obsession with athletic prowess? Once a defensive back in the USC football arena, Joshua Jackson Jr. is now on defense in the court of law. Sporting the jersey number 21, Jackson now faces charges that could potentially land him behind bars for a long time. Our star's path has taken a dark detour, from a hopeful transfer portal to a not-so-welcoming jail cell. Jackson stands accused of a heinous act, raping two women, one a fellow USC student and another from UCLA. If you're shocked and disappointed, you're not alone. The crimes allegedly occurred in the summer of 2020 and again 3 months ago, so this has been a horror show unfolding behind the scenes for a while. The LA County District Attorney, George Gascon, commended the bravery of the women who stepped forward to report the assault. Now, it's time for justice to do its job. Do we place too much trust in our sports heroes, allowing fame to cast long shadows that hide such actions? In his glory days, Jackson was scouted and recruited by coach Clay Helton's staff. He even got to start 2 games during the 2021 season under interim head coach Dandy Williams. Yet, despite the promising start, he didn't play for USC last season, instead ending up in the transfer portal in April. Is this a classic case of a promising future, squandered by harmful choices? Jackson is expected to be arraigned this week. While we wait for the court's decision, we should reflect. Do we need to reevaluate our perception of sports stars and how their fame may affect their actions and those around them? Each case like this is a stark reminder that everyone, regardless of their status, should be held accountable for their actions. Our society tends to glamorize athletes, often ignoring signs of questionable behavior. Is it time for us to separate a person's talent on the field from their character off it? As we wait for more information on this case, we find ourselves asking, how can we as a society ensure that fame and athletic prowess don't overshadow the importance of moral integrity? Disclaimer: this report is based on factual information and is not intended to serve as legal advice or endorsement of any kind. News source: AP News.